What it do? It's your boy X here. Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to talk about one of YouTube's founding fathers of finance. Yes, and if you don't know who I'm talking about, I'm pretty sure you do. But if you don't, because you've been living on a rock or something like Patrick Star,
good morning.
don't worry, I got you. We're talking about Stephan. This guy has done tremendous things in the YouTube finance sector platform. Like when I say this guy has did it, he's doing it, and he's going to continue to do it. It's crazy what this guy has accomplished. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of YouTubers like myself who also cover the topic of personal finance, and you have no choice but to look up to one of the founding fathers. Maybe you're not into really Stephan, you're more one of the other ones, but I have to say I am a Stephan fanboy. Don't get me wrong, I just want to come off, oh, he's fanboy status. He's just going to talk all good stuff about Graham. Calm down. We're talking about what makes Graham, right? Because although there have been many people on the platform who's tried personal finance, he is pretty much like top of the top tier. So what is he doing that's different from what you're doing or somebody else is doing? Now, I personally have made it my mission to figure out what makes Graham, right? So I've been going through and watching all his videos, even the older ones. Back when Graham used to swear. Yeah, I watched those. Yeah. But I want to know, how did he get to where he is? What milestone did he cross? And how can I implement those, pretty much his habits he's been developing this whole time? How can I put those habits in a way where I can use them to help build my channel? And I think I came across his secret. So I'm going to share with you guys today, and hopefully you guys can relish in the secret, and we all can flourish and grow as one to maybe one day get to the plateau of Stephan. Now, before we get into the video about who Stephan is, how did he come about, what secret habits I have found in watching so many of his old videos, I just want to start off by saying my name is Exio. Welcome. Thank you for watching the video. Consider subscribing to the channel. Like I said, I do cover personal finances, my portfolios, pretty much my journey to my first 100K. So like this video, most definitely subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm talking about. Thank you, and let's get to the point. Now, what is Stephan, right? Stephan is a personal finance, real estate agent, avocado toast lover, drummer, pianist, lover of aquariums, lover of cheap coffee. He has a lot of things. But what does Stephan do that makes him so different, so unique? So pretty much the number one thing I found that makes Graham is pretty much his cheapness. Okay, now listen to this. People, a lot of normal people who just whatever with their money, they frown upon cheapness, right? Graham has found a way to make his cheapness into sort of like his personality. And he sort of makes it's like he polished it into a way where it shines, and he put it into a community where the cheapness actually benefits him. Like he been, from my understanding, for all the videos I watched, he's been cheap since day 2. I can't say day 1 because he didn't know he was that cheap at first. He learned it, but day 2, thus he realized he was cheap. So, but in the form of that, by him learning to be cheap, he learned to hold on to his money. In return, was pretty much led him to get to this place where he is today. That in itself is incredible, because I know people say I'm cheap. I'm not cheap. I'm just a smart spender.
Mind blown.
We're just gonna leave that at that. But Graham is cheap, and he really found the way where he can utilize that cheapness, and it just grew into what he is today. Because now you see Graham, and if it's something that's just, for instance, on his Graham Stephan show, let's say he sees something, he's like, wow, that's kind of ridiculous. You expect that of him at this point, and then it's like he then molded his audience to know, yeah, Graham wouldn't do that. If they see something, or they see something that has nothing to do with Graham, and it's like ultra expensive, they will bring it to him just to see his response, because they know there's no way he would buy something of that caliber. You see what I'm saying? He found a way to make his cheapness a marketable thing. That there is his actual power. You know what I'm saying? To me, to build a channel, you have to give your audience something. And I haven't fully figured out what mine personally is, but for him, he found it kind of early on, and he's been using it to a point where it really benefits him. And I think that's the first step in what's making Graham. Step 2 of what makes Graham, his consistency. This guy has been doing videos for like 4 years. Consistent every day. No matter what, this guy is just posting. Video does great. Video does mediocre. Video does bad. He does not care. He has been posting regardless of the numbers, regardless, every day, whether it's his main channel, his side channel, his part, it does not matter. He finds a way to post, and that alone is actually incredible. This guy has so many videos. It's actually pretty hard for me to watch a large portion of them. I mean, just to watch 1 year's worth of video would take me a significant amount of time. That's how much this guy posts. Like, get him to just draw something for you. I'm an anime person. I love anime. I love who I love. I probably watch everything you watch. But to put Graham YouTube channel in perspective, how many videos he's done, you compare that to like One Piece. He has to be like literally season 20 of One Piece. My man he's crossing the threshold of a lot. Like, he's up there. I don't think you understand. Like, if you're not an anime person, you probably won't understand. But One Piece has been going on since I was a kid, and they're still releasing episodes. Literally, it's probably one of the longest animes. Like people like One Piece, but they don't watch One Piece because it's just too long. It's just too long. That's how many videos Graham has actually produced. Consistent. I think that alone helps him as far as a YouTuber, because for me, when I watch him, a lot of Graham's video, I get the notification, but I don't get to watch them right away, because more likely he'll post it while I'm at work. But then I might get home and I might have things to do, maybe my YouTube channel, maybe some family stuff, whatever the case may be. I mean, I get to watch him. But since he always posting, it's like, okay, I got a chance to sit down and just chill out and vibe. Hit play on one of his videos, and you could probably watch about 20 videos, all of them new, back to back. All right, thing number 3 that makes Graham. Okay, it goes back to how he interacts with his community. That is his formula for his videos. So it kind of ties into the second one, where, like I said, he's consistent with it, and it does being so consistent with just posting. It allowed him to create like a flow chart of how his video can guide. Like for instance, in the way he implemented into his community. So when he say, "Hey guys, Graham here," or "Hi Graham, it's guys here," people want to see that. He says it so much. It's like, I want to see it. He does it every video. I don't care. I like it. I'm here for the, "Hey guy, what up, Graham? It's Graham here." They come for it. They come for it. He created their formula. And you want to come from it. The iced coffee. You want to see him drink coffee. Trust me. I also watch the videos, and it's kind of awkward when he's not drinking coffee. He's like, "Why ain't you drinking coffee? What's going on here?" Because I remember one of his latest videos, he had the cup, and he was so into the video. He was talking. He just waved it in. The cup was empty. He was like, "You guys got me. It's a late night. It's like 2, 3 in the morning. I'm recording. I just had to get the video off, but it's too late for coffee."
Out there on YouTube, it's basically this trend called. Now you guys can see I have no coffee in this. You got me.
He knows what his audience wants, and he's giving it to them. That's part of his formula, and I think him creating that formula is really what brings his audience in and what make him so unique. People want it. It's crazy. You want to see his reaction. You want to see, "What up guys, it's Graham here." You want these things. Creating that flow chart of how he started his videos and progressed through it. So in hindsight, what is Graham's secret formula? How does Graham grow? How did Graham get to the plateau he's at today? It's these 3 things: his cheapness, his formula, his consistency. These things allow him to become what he is. You combine these together and you pretty much get Graham Stephan in a nutshell. I know these 3 things may seem very trivial, very small, but in the long run, and like if you really look at it, watch a lot of his videos, you can see it. You can see how he just draws you in with these 3 things. It's actually pretty enticing when you realize what's happening, but you just like, okay, what's happening? He's making you want to watch him by doing these little quirky things and just being consistent with it. It's how I thought about it is like this. It's like listening to the radio. It's a song that they'll play on the radio that you can care less about. But if they play that song enough, even though you don't care, you start to memorize the lyrics. Next thing you know, you're humming it randomly, you're singing it randomly. Next thing you know, you like the song. That's pretty much what Graham has going right now. You just like, it's just Graham. Then, it's just Graham. The next thing you know, "Hi guys, it's Graham here." Then boom, you're a Graham fan. That's me in a nutshell. But I would love to know what you guys think. What do you think is Graham's biggest features? What's his hidden secret? What does he do to build his success? What are you doing, or what have you seen him do that you're somewhat mimicking for your channel? But that's my 2 cents on the matter. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.